Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Photoshop brushes from Creative Market. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Creative Market website by typing the URL in your browser. Once on the home page, use the search bar at the top to look for Photoshop brushes. Enter keywords that describe the type of brushes you need, such as watercolor brushes or sketch brushes. Browse through the results to find a brush set that appeals to you. Click on the product to open its dedicated page and view the details. Check the product description to ensure the brushes meet your requirements. Review any previews or images showcasing the brushes in use. If you decide to proceed, click the Add to Cart button. Once you have added the desired items, locate the cart icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on the cart icon to review your selections. If everything is correct, click the Checkout button. Log into your Creative Market account or create a new account if you do not have one. Fill in the necessary payment and shipping information as prompted. Once you complete the payment, confirm your order. After your purchase is successful, you will be redirected to the download page. Look for the download link to your brush set on this page. Click the download link to initiate the download of the brush file. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your computer's Downloads folder. Extract the contents of the downloaded zip file, if applicable. Open Photoshop on your computer. Access the brush panel by navigating to Window, then selecting Brushes. In the brush panel, click on the folder icon or the Import Brushes option. Navigate to the folder where you extracted the brush files. Select the files you want to import and click Open. Once the brushes are imported, they will appear in your brush panel. You can now start using your new Photoshop brushes in your design projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.